The altitude is a line that is perpendicular to the base, right? It's like the height of the triangle. It's going to be a line like this. It's going to be perpendicular to the base. So what I'm doing is I'm finding a perpendicular that's going to pass through this point C. So a perpendicular through a point off the line. To do that, I put my compass on C, and I'm going to draw an arc that cuts through my line segment AB. Okay? So if you want, you can extend line segment AB, you know, if your arc is too big. You can make the arc so it crosses AB at 2 points, like this. You can make a nice small arc like that. But if it's too small, then your line segment won't be long enough if it's too small. Sorry, my hand was in the way. Okay? So I would suggest making it so it passes through one of the points. It doesn't have to. But if you do that, then it should be big enough to use. Okay? So I'm just going to, it's not quite there. So I'm adjusting it so it goes through my A point. It doesn't have to. Okay? And it crosses through the other line. It crosses through the line segment at another point. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to call that D because A, B, C, D. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the perpendicular bisector of line segment AD. And in doing that, it will pass through my point C. So I adjust my compass. So it goes about 3/4 of the way. Well, this is, I'm going a lot further. It can be anything. It can be, I can even leave it the same. It can be like the length AD if I wanted. All right, so I'm just adjusting it so it goes past the halfway point, and I'm going to make my arc. Okay, so an arc here, an arc down there. I'm going to put the point on D. Okay, that's where the arc crossed my AB. Okay, I make a little arc here and a little arc there. Where those two arcs cross, I'm going to draw my perpendicular. I'm going to draw my line segment. Okay, but notice that also passes through C. If it doesn't pass through C, then you've made a mistake. Okay, because this is really what we're after. We're after the height, the altitude, in this case. Okay, so that's it. So this is the altitude. And that's it.